Shadow Stalker here. Sorry, it's been a while. I was going to try to spend a nice Christmas at my mom's, but she passed over Christmas Eve, so yeah, and we couldn't even go to the funeral, so it's kind of depressing right now. But I figured I'd try to get in at least one last video of the year, so Happy New Year's to everybody. These are resin mold grab bags that I got from AliExpress. So I'm just going to show these off and see what we got here. Okay, our first mold is I guess that's a mermaid mold. I don't know. These are all grab bags, so I don't know what this is. If anybody knows, please let me know in the comment section. Let's see. I don't know. They look like flowers inside. Oh, this is cute. Are they like little icicles? I don't know. I saw somebody else have one of these and put it up on a forum, and I think they said they were icicles. Okay, these seem to be bezels. Which is pretty cool because I'm starting to finally make a bezel collection. Sorry about the noise. Kind of look like pocket watches. Actually, it's quite very pretty. I got like 5 of these from this bag. Oh, holographic butterfly glitter. Oh, that I like. Can't figure out why it's so dark in here. Okay, bag number 2. Got a cat. If anybody else has gotten these bags and can figure out what half these molds are, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you. Is there a second half to this one? I don't think it's a 3D mold, but it looks like a perfume bottle. And I guess this is Mickey and a bear. Set mold, mini shaker bits. Skeleton hand. I guess that goes in with my Halloween collection. What are these stars? I don't know if they're holographic or what. But I think they're stars. Okay. Not sure if these are bezels. I'll find out. Wow. These are like really wrapped up tight. It's like opening up Christmas presents again. hands haven't been working since my mom died. Okay. I don't know what this is. Maybe I'm not just not thinking straight. I don't know what this is. Oh, seahorse. That's cute. And we'll put you guys away. You guys are adorable. Bag number 3. Pink butterfly glitter. The what? Back the fuck up stick. I don't know. Okay, we'll just leave you off inside. Is that like just like a little chibi with a bell on? This is new. I've never seen this anywhere. Another perfume bottle. I don't know what that is. A devil cat. I guess that goes in for my Halloween collection. Oh, sakura flowers. Oh, come on. Open up. I'll be busy because I also subscribe to the Sofie and Toffee boxes, Pixie and the Elves box, so I'll be busy. Last bag. These I had before. I've shown you guys before. Alphabet glitters. Little hanging cat. I don't know what this is. Well, we'll look at that later. A key. That's the bezel bag got. Oh. It's a good thing I didn't rehearse this. So the bezels are in fine shape. I expected them to be like so totally screwed up, scratched up. I think I'll make one of these for my daughter. She likes cats and moons and stars. I gotta find out what this is. I've never seen this mold before either. Looks like an undersea mold. Looks like an octopus. I don't know what this is. So once again, please tell me what you might think it is in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to, buy me a cup of coffee once in a while. And if you're new and if you like what I'm showing you guys, please subscribe, like, and share. Have an awesome new year.